In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Immich on your TrueNAS server. Immich is a self-hosted photo and video backup solution that lets you access your media from anywhere in the world. Immich has some pretty cool features such as automatic backups, facial recognition, location detection, and way more. Within your server, we're going to create 4 new datasets. Now, I already have Immich installed, so for the sake of this video, the first dataset I create is going to be called Immich 2. Afterwards, we will create a subdataset and name it Data Storage. Then we'll create another subdataset and name this one Cache. And finally, we will create the last subdataset and name this one Postgres. Once the datasets are created, we'll navigate to the Apps tab and click Discover Apps to search for Immich. Once found, click the Install button, which will take you to the Configurations page. On the Immich configuration menu, we'll first select the latest version. Likewise, I'm also going to change the application name to Immich 2. Under Storage Type, select where you would like the data to be stored. For me, I will choose the hard disk drive. We'll also go ahead and create a new database and radius passwords. Now, I'm going to change my port number since this one's already in use, but however, you can keep this default. Under Storage Data, we are going to link the dataset we created at the start of this video. Same will go for the Cache and Postgres sections. Once complete, ensure the checkmark is enabled to allow Postgres dataset to have automatic permissions. Afterwards, everything else will be default, so we can just go ahead and click Install. Now, if you get stuck in this loop where Immich keeps switching between deployed and running, then you'll first need to stop the service and head over to the Datasets page, where we will choose the parent folder and give it full read, write, execute permissions and set the ACL to open. Also, make sure you select Apply Permissions to the child datasets. Once complete, go back to Apps and restart the Immich service. This time, it should boot up with no errors. Now that Immich is running, let's click the Web UI button. This will bring you to a registration page where you will need to create a username and password. Afterwards, use that same username and password that you just created to log into Immich. Upon login, Immich will prompt you to enable some initial setup preferences, and feel free to enable these as you feel fit. You will also have the option to download the Immich app to access your photos on your mobile device. However, I'm going to skip over this for now. And with that, you're officially in the Immich application. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.